Where's it gone? What's up, I'm Aidan. I'm here at my self build. I'm a DIY self builder and I'm currently doing my drainage. I've had a slight issue when I've done my land drain and pulled it down near. I've managed to silt up my manhole which goes out to my ditch. So I've bought a home DIY jetting kit that fits onto your jet wash. I'm quickly going to test it out. We're going to show you what happens. I've got a Titan 155 bar pressure washer from Screwfix. I've just bought this off of eBay, link down below. It's got one forward facing jet and 3 rear. It's a 30-metre hose. You can get different lengths, and for this particular one I've had to get an adapter. So my jet wash takes this style, which is also the same as, I think it's Black & Decker and Bosch AQT. Make sure, well, if you're going to get the same one as me, you need to make sure that it goes in. So normally they have brass ones and they finish about here and you can't actually fit it in, so you need this extension. I ended up getting a quick release adapter that goes in, and then I got a quick release hose, but you can get different types. So for this test we're just going to test it on this, because this one is already silted up quite a lot when I was pumping out the dirty water from underneath my barn. So that's almost blocked at the end. We're gonna turn it on, shove it through and see what happens. Just to show you what it looks like without spraying myself, hopefully. The jet wash isn't on, but I can just pull the trigger. You see, 1 forward, 3 back. So the 3 back helps it propel forwards, and the one in front jets whatever's there. Shove it in a little bit and then I'll turn it on. Just a quick test to show that it does propel itself forwards, kind of. I'll just leave it there in the end. Ready? It kind of needs a helping hand. Jesus fucking Christ, there's actually a rat in there. That's why it was blocked. Oh my God, it's massive. How did it even die? I don't understand. Oh no, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. Why did the squirrel go down the fucking drain? I feel really bad now. Like that squirrel was trapped in there. I could have saved it, couldn't I? I mean, these pipes, they've not been buried underground or anything. They've just been literally on the surface, and we used them to pump out some dirty water. I'll quickly show you how we done that. It's fly tipped. We're going to shove that end into this pipe. It's going to go all the way down and jet it out in the ditch. It's not proper decayed, so it must have happened in the past couple of weeks or so. Maybe it drowned when we was pumping the water through. Ah, and that horrible. Yeah, the drain cleaner works anyway. That pushed that squirrel out the end of the pipe. So yeah, if you've got a dead rat in your pipes, that would work. So you don't necessarily need to call in the professionals, you just need to spend a bit of money. Sorry mate. Right, I need to clear out a couple more pipes because they're silted up as well. I need to use them. Hopefully I won't have any more surprises. Yeah, rest in peace, little one. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.